Hi everybody, my name is Jill. I'm a 39-year-old skincare and makeup enthusiast, and today we will do an unboxing of all the things I bought over the past 1.5 months, so subscribe to my channel and keep watching. Next up is my haul at Philocalist, which is a local store here in Frankfurt. Let's see. I bought a bunch of face masks, like these ones. Like different kinds, super cute. I also got these. They have a different shape and super cute color combinations. Because if you have to wear something like this, you might as well make it fun. And philocalist supports local seamstresses who make those, which is pretty cool. Dun, dun. Yes, we will get to this in a second. I also got the Freckles pen, and this is a little pen that, well, paints freckles on your face. It's super, super mini, but that's the normal size because you don't need much of that, I guess. And we will see how that works because I think freckles are cute and I usually cover mine up. So yeah. I also got these cutie things because Joe Exotic would be proud of my mullet, not only because of the color combination, but because it's actually becoming a mullet. Yeah. And let's get to this. Not exactly mini sizes, but I needed new shampoo. I usually use Olaplex, but I'm running out of that and I wanted to try new stuff. So I'm trying these babies. These by Playa are natural shampoos and they have coconut water in them, well, the shampoo does, and sugar beet extract. It has a lot of oils in it, so you probably have to rinse it out a bit more carefully than usual shampoos, but you also only need a little bit of that. And this is the conditioner with baobab protein and other oils. I'm really excited to try that out. I also got a new body lotion from Spekenhus. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm just putting a Dutch spin on it, even though it's a company from Oslo. I smelled that. It smells really nice. I know a lot of people have problems with perfumes and any kind of skincare. When it comes to body lotion, I don't really mind. And because I have super dry skin and sometimes body lotion isn't enough, I also got the body butter for certain parts like my elbows, or sometimes my upper arms get really, really dry. So I'm excited to see how this performs. And last but not least, I shopped at Flaconi because they had a huge sale going on. Let's see. I also got the by Terry Terribly Paris VIP palette. The night version one. I've seen a lot of people get the day version one. I wanted the night version one. And I got a couple of new brushes from Sigma because you never have enough brushes. I also got another Shiseido lipstick, the Modern Matte Powder lipsticks, because I really love those. So I wanted to have a deeper shade, and I wanted to try a new mascara. So I got the Shock from Yves Saint Laurent. Okay, let's unpack. Terry, I thought this was gonna be bigger. It's super tiny. Okay. Very tiny. Because it's not cheap. I have to look up what it costs. But, okay, the packaging is super cute. Like, that's cute. It's embossed. Like, you can feel it. Can hear it. Okay. Oh, so cute. Okay, there's a brush in there. I'm going to take it out before they smell very new, like new car new. And these are the shadows. They are beautiful, very dark. Well, Paris by night. I can't wait to try these. So I will do a full review on these. Of course I will. Okay, let's see. The Shock. I can't remember the last time I had an Yves Saint Laurent mascara, but okay, this is the wand. Very fluffy. It's supposed to give you this false lash kind of effect. We will see about that. Okay, what else? Oh, I totally forgot to take out the Fenty Beauty liner. Let's do that right now. Oh, okay. Very light packaging, very plasticky. That's the felt tip liner. I hope it works better than the other felt tip liners I had so far. And now new brushes. Okay. I don't get the plastic wrap around a wrap, but okay. 7 best-selling face and eye brushes. It's okay. This one is the flat kabuki brush, and then we have the soft blend concealer. The next one is the precision flat angled one. Also a concealer brush. Then we have the diffused crease brush. This one is the shader, and this one is the domed utility, intense and deep color in the crease, and this one is the smudge. I hauled a lot, so I also hauled the P. Louise sale. I will not show the packaging because my address is all over that. And you don't need to know where I live. Okay. Oh, that smells. Okay. It comes packed extra like this. Signed, sealed, delivered. Okay. You have to rip that open. Well done, Jill. Well done. Okay. And P. Louise is famous for their eyeshadow base, which I, of course, got. I got the one in, which one did I get? 01. I hope it's not too light. I kind of had to guess, but when it comes to eyeshadow bases, for me, it's okay when it's a bit lighter. And I also got some of the Rain collection, the Acid Rain collection. I got Raver, which is a pinkish tone. Nitro, which is a, what do you call it? Petrol, I guess. Glow Girl, which is more of a purple tone, and Blank Canvas. So let's see what they look like. This is what they look like. They look mini. They have 15 grams, which is 0.53 ounces. Ounces. And I also got their brush kit. How do you open this? Okay. This way. Okay. Here you go. This is what the brushes look like. an angled one for eyeliner, one for padding, and another angled one. Yes, wonderful. I will try these out. So I really can't wait to try all of these things. I hope you enjoyed the second part of my quarantine unpacking. So please subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And see you soon. Bye bye.